Welcome to this walkthrough of the StyleCloud Pic-Time Gallery plugin. This brings all of your Pic-Time images inside your WordPress website and makes them available either to display or import. So when you download your plugin package from your dashboard, you should unpack it, and inside you will find the installable plugin file, and you will also find a text file with your license details. So you'll upload the installable file via your plugins area by clicking on Add New Plugin, and once you've done that, you are ready to activate it. As soon as you do that, you'll see the Pic-Time setup area on the left hand side. So you can go ahead and enter your license key, and once it's active, you are ready to log into Pic-Time. So if you click Login, you will see that you're asked if you grant access to StyleCloud to your Pic-Time account. Hit Approve, and then you will be returned to the plugin screen and you are ready to go. If at any point you need to, you can disconnect from Pic-Time, deactivate your license, or if you want to be sure that all your galleries have synced, you can refresh your Pic-Time connection. Now let's go to a page and see how it works. To access your Pic-Time gallery, you'll need to make sure you have the Kadence Blocks plugin installed. If you're using StyleCloud, you'll already have this. And the block that works with your Pic-Time galleries is the Kadence Advanced Gallery Block. And as soon as you've done this, you can see that the Pic-Time symbol has appeared. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and your galleries will appear. If you have lots of galleries, there will be a scroll bar for you to scroll down and browse your galleries. Select the gallery you want to pull images from. And once the images appear, you can go ahead and select the ones you would like to use. And once you've done that, you can hit Apply, and the images will appear there in your gallery. Now at this point you have two choices. You can display the images from Pic-Time just by using the URL. It will create a representation of your image, but your images will continue to live in Pic-Time. But if you are someone who would like to take advantage of all the SEO benefits, or you just prefer to have your images inside your website and you want a quicker workflow when it comes to blogging, you can actually import them from Pic-Time. So we're going to start with displaying them, and straight away they're there on the page. The reason we love this advanced gallery block is actually you can do so much with it. You can display it in a masonry grid, you can display it in a set grid, you can have a carousel, it can be a single slideshow, and you've really got so much control. You can control the number of columns on a device-based basis. You can change the amount of space between them, and as soon as you have the gallery selected and you want to change the order, we can do that just by moving them around using the arrows until you're happy with the look of your website. Now, if you wanted to edit this gallery like a normal WordPress gallery, the images, because I'm just displaying them from Pic-Time, aren't actually there to be rearranged if I click Edit. That's because they are over in Pic-Time and not inside your website. So that's why we're using these arrows to move things around. Now let's go and get some images and import them. We click the Pic-Time symbol again, and we can this time perhaps choose a different gallery. I'm going to select several more images. Hit Apply, and you can see those are then added to the other images that were there. So this time I'm going to import them, and this may just take a few moments to fully import. And you can see the images which are being pulled from Pic-Time, those ones at the top, are mixed and matched perfectly by the ones that you've imported into your WordPress website. Now you might be wondering the size they import at. That's limited by the Pic-Time gallery view, so they're imported at 1600 pixels. That's the largest size they can be pulled in, so they're already perfectly resized for web use. And if we go to edit the gallery now, we'll see those images have come into the media library, and again you won't see the ones which are in Pic-Time, but that's fine because we can edit them on the front end here by using the arrows. So we hope you enjoy using this. It's a brilliant way to have access to all of your Pic-Time images from right inside your WordPress website, and it should really improve your blogging workflow and updating your portfolio. So do let us know if there's anything that you see that you enjoy using, or perhaps you've got some suggestions for how we can take this really fantastic integration forward.